बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहम वाला।
And I am language instructor in my academy in my city, and I have been teaching spoken English class and IELTS class for 4 years. So regarding this, according to the whole experience, I would explain that how can you improve your language. So I'm talking about English language. So how can we improve our English language? So it has become an international language. We are talking about English language, and English language, as you know, it has become an international language. So if you want to improve this, if you want to learn this language, so it is very difficult. You will have to take time on it. You will have to just focus on it. Just on daily basis, listen English news and whatever. Just create English speaking environment everywhere, wherever you are. So if you want to speak English, if you want to improve your English speaking as well as pronunciation, so it's all about your listening task. So if you are very good listener, so you can, if you are just good in listening task, if you are a very good listener, so you are very good speaker, you are very good pronouncer. You can say, you can explain in a very effective way. If you are very poor, your listening is very poor, so it would be, you can say, your spoken task can be very poor. You can't explain in a better way because you don't have listening task. You have never listened, you have never ever listened to the foreigners. So if you want to listen, first of all, just listen and then try to speak. So as you know that what we do, the first step is that we listen. How can we listen? Yes, on daily basis, just listen, you can say get the news, CNN news, BBC news, anywhere, just try to listen. Just try to get the idea of what matter is being discussing there. So just it needs that how much effective you are. If you are taking interest, if you are really very much taking interest, then you can improve your language. So it's all about, if you have very good or excellent listening skill, so you can be a very good speaker. You can become, you can say, like a native speaker. We are non-native speakers, so it is learning another language is always very tough and difficult task because, so as you know, learning any kind of language is considered to be tough as compared to the other languages. So as you know that at the age of, you can say 11 or after, you can say 12 years, so you are just learning language. Before that, you are acquiring language. So when you are learning language, it might be very difficult. It can be very difficult for you. So you will have to give too much time to it. Then you can improve your language. So I would say that don't need to learn vocabulary words on just one word. So I would suggest you that listen, just get the idea about phrase. Just like that, just get the combination of one or two words. Just like that, I love Pakistan. So that is the things that don't learn vocabulary word that love. So if you will learn that love, I love Pakistan. So that is the exact way. So on daily basis, go through to the, just learn not single word, try to get 2 or 3 words at the same time and try to use those words that you have learned in your daily routine of life. then you can speak it in a very exact way. So that's all about something about English language. So it's all about how you can speak. So if you want to speak English, you will have to follow the rules. You will follow the rules, definitely you can speak in exact way. Try to get the environment, just try to speak according to the own Britishers or Americans or Australians. So it's depend upon you that how much interest you have on language on daily basis. Just give time, just I would say give 10 minutes every day to listen a news or any video, audio. There are a number of videos are over there, given there on YouTube, and you can follow, you can find it out, you can listen, and I would say, I guarantee you that if you listen 10 minutes, if you give 10 minutes or 20 minutes daily basis, on routine basis, then you can improve a lot. Just do practice it 1 month, and then you can see that you are speaking very good English. So why you have just giving time, you're just spending time on English language, just you are listening something. So that's all. So I just want to give one more example regarding this, that so those deaf people, why they are called deaf, why they can't speak, why? Because they could not hear. Just one thing, therefore they could not pronounce the word properly. Therefore, you need to, if you want to learn English, you have to be full focus. You will have to complete concentration on it. I'm talking about those deaf people. Why? They are not hearing. Therefore, they are deaf. They are unable to explain a single word. God has given you ability to speak, to hear. First of all, hear and then utilize it in your daily routine of life. Then you know that you are dramatically improved. Your style, your way of speaking. So that's all about something about English. How can you improve your English speaking? So there are some words. So I would explain that how can you use an exact way. Just I would explain some of the words like judge it out that here is A. Instead of A, we'll say A. We'll say just apple. Just like that, we are nation. We are a nation. Just like we are one nation. So that is I sound, and second is we are speaking it very clearly, and the third sound is ka. Just like as a cat. Just like as a call. Just like as we can call, number of words are over there, so we'll have to pronounce it on just on very depth, in a just very deep way, like cat. Instead of cat, we'll say cat. So just I would say that there are some words like cat, there are some explanation on it, just like a cat, just like that, call. So here is C-A-double-L sound. There are C-A-double-L sound. So when before A, after A, there are two double L, so you will pronounce it as a whole. So you don't say that, do not say that, please call me. You say, please call me, just like as more. There is also a double L sound. So where you will also explain as call, mall. So here I have given you some idea about how can you explain. So indeed we are also pronouncing it very good way. E, F, 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 G, H, G, H, I, J, K. Again, here we'll say there is a little bit aspiration on it. We'll say just like as Kashmir. Just like as there is little bit similarity between C sound and K sound. And O, just like that. O. We'll say go. Instead of go, we'll say go. Go. So we'll say go instead of say. We'll say go. We'll say go. So it is not O. It's O. O. Next word is P. We'll not pronounce it as a P. We will pronounce it as a P. P. Just like as there is some kind of station on over there. Just like as in Pakistan. 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 So you can say Pakistan. Pakistan. Q. 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 Just like that. So I just want to say that in British language, and if it comes at the end of the word, it is not being pronounced most probably. Just like that. Car. We'll say car instead of saying car. We'll not say car. We'll say car. If it comes as here, we'll pronounce it here. After that is station. Just like S, station. I sound. Here it comes. Station. So S sound. So again T sound, just like as television. Instead of say television, we'll say television. U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. That's the word we are pronouncing it on its exact form in the exact way. So here we are just some kind of, if you want to learn rules, how can you explain? So you will learn how to speak I word, just like I, C, K, and like that, K as well, K, and P, and as well as T. There is some kind of expression over there, so you will have to focus on, you will have to learn on it, you will have to judge it out. So if you while speaking something, if you follow these rules, in some extent you can speak in exact way. In somehow you can speak good English. So that's all. So we are just discussing about alphabets, and let's talk about some of the words. Decorum. First word is decorum. The second word is numb. The third word is nimble-witted. There is tha sound over there, so we'll pronounce it as witted. So there is window shopping. Ping. Window shopping. There is cavity. Again, word is cavity. There is word prankful. Word is prankful. Other word is obnoxious. Other word is mercurious. So other word is rustic. So last word is mischievous. mystical versification. Mystical versification. So here we come to know that mystical versification. Mystical versification. So first of all, you would have to come to know about the division of this word into syllables. So if you come to know about how many syllables are there in a one word, you can easily pronounce all those words. So here are some of the words. So I have pronounced it for you, or you can explain it. So I have given you some words and detail or hints. How can you speak in exact way? So in the second part that we have on daily basis, that is daily use of sentences. After vocabulary words, we focus on daily use of sentences. So on daily use of sentences, the student on daily basis memorize all those sentences, and they learn and they also speak it up on while coming on the dais and speak and they pronounce all those daily use of sentences. Through that they communicate. So okay, let's talk about a word. Bring me a glass of water, please. Bring me a glass of water, please. The second word is sentence is hang on a minute, please. Hang on a minute, please. Do me a favor, please. Do me a favor, please. Draw the curtain on, please. Draw the curtain on, please. Next is ask Shakil to make a cup of tea for me. Ask Shakil to make a cup of tea for me. So that's how I'll just read it before me. Just read after me that bring me a glass of water, please. Hang on a minute, please. Do me a favor, please. Draw the curtain on, please. Ask Shakil to make a cup of tea for me. So that's all about daily use of sentences. So at the end we have proper discussion, and we on daily basis we assign a one task. At the end of the day we assign one task, and on that task the student will have to just prepare at home, and when next day they will when tomorrow or when they will come and they will have to explain while coming here on the dais, they will explain their task. They will explain all those facts, and while explaining their task, the rest of the students might be sitting over there. All those students who are their class fellows, they will ask questions related to the topic. Whatever the topic is, they will ask some questions. So even though I can also ask some questions, sitting behind the chairs, I was observing the class, I can ask some questions related to the topic. Before that, they have one day to prepare the topic, and topic at the second day, when they will come here on the dais, they will have to explain on a effective way. We will make you to speak something. You will join us, definitely we will make you to speak something. Because just the students, just the class will also ask some questions. Definitely, I will also ask some questions. So in this way, you will improve a lot, and you will also know. You will also, in the passage of time, within a few days, you will be able to understand that you are speaking very good English. So we have a number of examples in our academy that a number of students who are not too much educated, they have just taken our class and know they are speaking very good English. They are just, you can say, leading the class, and they are speaking very effective tone, in a very effective way, because they have just got the environment, and we have provided a very good, we have facilitated all those students in a very good environment, and that environment the students have attained a lot more as they were expecting. So also whenever you will join, definitely you will also improve a lot. So we will guarantee you, if you will join us, definitely we will make you speak. We will make you in this position to spoken class. So I hope so that you might have followed all those tips, and hope so. I'm very much sure that you will also follow the rest of the tips as well. Join the academy as well. So if you are not interested, so if you want to just write down anywhere, if you are anywhere, wherever you are, just log on, just find out my lectures. You can easily get the idea how can you explain or how can you speak better English. If you can see number of people in your city, they are speaking, but in not appropriate way. They are not speaking according to the rules. So they are speaking, but they are not spoken in exact way. So I would say that useless. So you would explain. If you would explain according to the rules, correct rules, definitely you would be appreciated while going everywhere. Which means they would consider that you have some knowledge about English language. That definitely you would be appreciated wherever you are. So from the very first day, try to speak in exact way. So I would say that anywhere in your surrounding, number of people are speaking. So I would again say that number of people are speaking. So it's a time to speak according to the correct rules that is designed by the lecturers or the rest of the world. They are speaking. Try to follow that English. Don't try to speak as most of Pakistan's people are speaking. So try to follow the rules. Try to be distinguished between the others. Try to tell them that you are different from the rest of the people who are speaking here, everywhere. So try to tell that. So that's all about spoken class. If you will join, you will gain a number of things as well. So light or short introduction. So many things still remain left. You can say uncovered. So I would say that that's all. So if you have regarding this any question, you can ask. You can give me feedback as well. So thank you very much for giving me too much time. So that's all about me. And at the end I would say that